Whether you have a hot water model or a cold water pressure washer, the operation is the same except for turning on and off the burner. Before you begin, you should familiarize yourself with the operation manual and the Hotzi safety video. Most important when operating a pressure washer is to always prioritize safety. Wear safety goggles and earplugs to protect from potential hazards. Wear appropriate clothing and closed-toe shoes to protect yourself from water spray and debris. Ensure your Hotzi is on a level surface and engage the brake if your unit has one. Hotzis are equipped with a GFCI power cord, which plugs into the power source. Check the burner diesel fuel tank to see that it's adequately filled. Make sure the trigger gun and wand are attached to the high-pressure hose and select the appropriate nozzle. Your Hotzi came with several nozzles with different spray patterns, ranging from 40 to 15 degrees. The nozzle is actually what creates the high-pressure spray. If you need to decrease the pressure and lower the PSI, use a larger nozzle. Using soap will give you better cleaning results. Hotzi hot water units have high-pressure soap, while cold water washers use low-pressure soap. Place the end of the detergent line into your detergent container, making sure the filter is submerged. Connect a garden hose to the water inlet of the pressure washer. Then turn on the water supply. Turn the pressure washer to the on position. And for hot water models, turn on the burner switch to activate the burner and adjust the thermostat to your desired temperature. Engage the trigger gun to start the pressure spray, maintaining a safe distance. When using soap, apply it from the bottom up, which will allow for optimal dwell time. If using a hot water model, turn off the burner when you've finished cleaning. When ready to rinse, start at the top and work your way down. Keep the trigger gun engaged to allow the pressure washer to cool down before turning it off. Release the pressure by pulling the trigger gun to dispense any trapped water in the hose. Remove the nozzle tip, check for any debris before properly storing them. One more important note is to regularly maintain your Hotzi. If you take care of your washer, it will take care of you. Now you know how to operate a Hotzi electric pressure washer. We hope you enjoyed watching. And now you're ready to see why nothing cleans like a Hotzi.